Hi there, it's Kurt with Kurt Tanner Motor Cars. Today we have on offer this really exquisite 1960 MGA 1600 Mark I Roadster. It's finished in dove gray with red trim, black top, 4-speed, wire wheel option. It sort of looks like a lavender gray under these lights, but hugely, refreshingly attractive dove gray paintwork. We purchased this car recently from, I think it was the Boise, Idaho area. Lovingly restored, exceptional body-on restoration. It still has its correct 1600 engine fitted. So really nicely done car here. Fresh paint, chrome, rubber, light lenses, wheels, tires, brakes, mechanicals, interior. I mean, you name it. This was an exceptional body-on restoration. But the undercarriage has been nicely detailed. So really lovely thing with good gaps. Just walking around here. There are just a couple very minor dings in the body from storage, a couple on this door, but you know, the doors are aluminum, but you know, really nothing that jumps out horribly. Yeah, let's take a look at this car. I'm just looking over at how nice it is. Mostly original windshield frame and glass. This windshield looks like a nice original windshield and an original chrome windshield frame. You know, restored wheels and tires, all new bright work. Really tough to find a nice MGA like this. So there you have it. Body work, generally excellent all the way around. Let's take a look at this car's interior. So interior wise, it looks like it's a moss panel kit that was employed for the restoration here. And you know, beautifully painted dashboard with all the correct instruments, original steering wheel. You can see here these lovely leather seats. They're barely broken in. There's hardly any wear. So I can tell this car was restored and then very sparingly used. The car includes an excellent fitting black soft top, restored soft top frame there, but just wonderful overall condition on this restored MGA. Let's take a look in the trunk. So in the trunk here, there's a spare tire bag that's carpeted, along with a matching carpet set here for the trunk. Trunk fits beautifully with nice sealing rubber all the way around. Let's take a look at this car's engine compartment. Yeah, so here's the engine compartment on our MGA 1600. You can see all this was just gutted and stripped. It's got a new wiring harness, all the brakes were renewed, all the electrical system. The engine was rebuilt. This is the correct 16 GA prefix, so we know it's a Mark I 1600 engine. It's been fitted with a new Weber carbon downdraft manifold, but we do have the original setup of SU carbs for it. They should be kept with the car for originality's sake. But you can see here, everything under here was nicely rebuilt and detailed, and it's just had minimal miles since on the restoration. But really good panel fit overall. Great little MGA Mark I Roadster in the right colors. It's refreshing to see an MGA painted in this dove gray, but like I said, under this light there is a little hint of there's a little hint of a bit of violet or blue in it, but it's exceptionally pretty in person. Yeah, but there you have it. If you're in the market for an exceptionally nice MGA Roadster, look no further. This is it. This is a 1960 MGA 1600 Mark I Roadster, fitted with wire wheels and a 4-speed. Beautiful, beautiful color in dove gray, red leather interior, black top, exquisitely restored cosmetically and mechanically, and very rare offering here in the current market. You can find it on our website, www.kurttannermotorcars.com.